Hello, my name is Nora. Welcome to the Freeing Rhythm channel where you can learn, experience, and create. Today's video is going to be about fear of uncertainty. Fear of uncertainty stems from feeling loss of control, from wanting to feel comfortable, and from avoiding pain. It's really in our nature to collect information in order for us to feel in control of our situation. Oh wow, thank you for the invite, but I really don't think I can do it. Yeah, I don't know if you knew, but I'm really scared of flying. It's just, I don't know if, I know, but what if the plane went down, and what if, I got lost, and I don't know, it's a life or death kind of situation for me. We have to have all of the pieces of the puzzle present, and if there are a few missing pieces, we tend to freak out, and that's because we can't see the big picture. We rely on the big picture. We believe that knowing and seeing the big picture will help us figure out which path to take and how to survive and thrive. However, predictability is not always accurate, and there will always be things that are out of our control. And if you think about it, if everything in life was predictable, life would feel tedious and would feel repetitive, and it would lack growth. The sense of losing control is extremely uncomfortable and painful. However, with pain comes growth.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, this is the end of the world. What's going to happen to us? What if I get sick? What about our bills? How are we gonna pay the bills if we can't work? Oh my god. I have to get groceries. Oh my god. What about toilet paper? I'm out of toilet paper. I'm freaking out. I only got one roll.
Uncertainty promotes change, and we're afraid of change because change is associated with pain and suffering. All of our decisions in life are driven by two factors. Number one, seeking pleasure. Number two, avoiding pain. So we tend to avoid pain at all costs. And if you think about it, change is not the problem. It's what the change might bring, or our perception of what it might bring into our lives. Our subconscious loves our comfort zone because it's programmed to keep us safe. It already knows how to protect us in this perceived controlled environment that it already got used to. So when our subconscious encounters change, it tends to freak out because it has to relearn how to protect us in this new environment or new way of life. Oh my god, I really think I can do this. I really do. I can start a business. I have a great idea. I really think it's possible.
Oh no, 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 no. You can't do that. You have to feel secure. Having a business is way too risky. You need to pay the bills, you need food and a place to stay.
Yeah, I guess I can't do it now.
It's way too risky.
It's just too much to handle right now. However, comfort zone is an illusion because change is always happening whether we want it or not. So if you don't adapt to the change that's happening all around us, then we will experience more pain and suffering in the long run. And if you think about it, the future is not scarier than the present. It's our perception and expectation of it that's scary. And that's because we tend to focus all of our attention on the worst outcome possible, while ignoring all of the other possibilities. Embracing the concept that life in itself is uncertain and nothing in life is guaranteed can really help you befriend change and be open to all the possibilities that comes with it. On the other hand, refusing to accept and embrace uncertainty can really raise your anxiety and your fear levels. So how do we deal with fear of uncertainty? Number one, you need to learn to adapt to change. Know that nothing in life is certain or guaranteed. So you need to adapt to the new changes as they come. Don't be scared of it, be comfortable with it, embrace it, and even figure out ways to enjoy it. And you can adapt to change by focusing on your values, by reducing your stress levels, by figuring out solutions to your problem, and by adapting new habits that complement the new change, and so forth. Number two, you need to focus your attention on your journey and your action in the present time, instead of focusing on the future final outcomes. So when you feel uncertain, just figure out what you can do right now instead of focusing on the final outcomes. So focus on the present instead of forecasting the future. And practicing mindfulness exercises can help with that. Number three, treat uncertainty as what it is, a feeling. So just ride this feeling and let it go. Think of it as a passing cloud. So don't resist it, don't fight it, just let it be until it passes, and it will. Also, don't be reactive to it by being scared, angry, sad, or anxious. Number four, be flexible and open to possibilities. Being flexible and open to different possibilities is important, and that's because it allows you to steer away from focusing on one absolute outcome. Also, it prepares you to adapt to change quickly, and that's because you won't be scared of facing a different outcome than you were expecting. Number five, embrace pain. We can never grow if it wasn't for pain. I mean, obviously, nobody likes to be in pain, but at least you won't have to resist it. Number six, do what's in your control, and what's not in your control, you can just let go and take it one step at a time. Number seven, realize the power of your coping skills. Sometimes we don't know how to handle a situation until we face it. And then when we face it, we realize it wasn't as bad as we thought it would be. We are resilient beings. We have survived through the beginning of time. So don't underestimate the power of your coping skills. Number 8, recognize the freedom in the new change. Realize the new positive things that can happen from it and the opportunities it will bring. Number 9, learn how to get out of your comfort zone. I'll be talking about comfort zone in a future video. Number 10, focus your attention on your purpose in life. Focusing on what you believe in, whether it's religion, spirituality, or a cause, can really reduce your stress level and worry that comes from uncertainty. That's because you won't be focusing on what uncertainty will bring. Instead, you'll be focusing on what your purpose can do for you and others. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And share it with someone who might benefit from it today. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.